Fuck, now I'm eating a hot dog and a donut. Badass cooking by Craig, best chef. What's up, everybody? Today, we're gonna make some chili dogs. And I'm gonna eat a donut while I do it. Oh, real good donut. Normally, I don't eat hot dogs because I think they're fucking gross. But these don't count because there's cheese in them. That offsets the gross factor. Because who doesn't like cheese in a fucking hot dog? Am I right? Of course I'm right. The way we do this is I got a. Okay, so I got Eckrich cheese franks. The serving size is 1 frank. I wonder where they got the name Frank from. Anyway, you know what? I just don't fucking care. I don't know who calls them Franks. I've never met anybody that calls a fucking hot dog a Frank. Why don't they just call it a Bill or a Jim or a Juan or something else fucking stupid? No offense to anybody named Bill or Jim. Yeah, who the fuck calls a hot dog a Frank? There's a few different ways that you can make these, right? That was a pretty good Frank. I just put Frank in my mouth. Ha ha ha. So anyways, there's a few different ways to make these. Fuck, now I'm eating a hot dog and a donut. Shit. They're not really that bad if you mix them. It's like a chocolatey hot dog. There's some different ways you can make these. You can obviously do them on a grill. You can boil them, whatever. Um, they're pre-cooked. So the basic thing is you got to get them heated up. So we're just gonna throw them in a fucking microwave. I'm gonna make two. We gotta get to the chili, which today I'm gonna be using Southgate chili, de pollo con frijoles, or however the fuck you say it, because I don't speak Spanish. But it means chicken chili with beans. I've never had chicken chili before. It's gonna be kind of interesting. Hopefully, hopefully it's as good as any other kind of chili. So first we need our can opener so we can open this motherfucker. You grab the can with the can opener and you. Well, it's not fucking working. What the fuck? Man, I just bent the fuck out of that can. Holy shit. Look at that. Somehow. So yeah. Okay, well that's not fucking working. Fuck. Fuck that can opener. Fuck. It's the only fucking can opener I have. Shit. Well, there's only one thing to do here. Eat some more donut. Okay, I gotta get this fucking can open. How the fuck? Why is it fucking... Now it's bent again. Now look at the motherfucker. How the fuck do you do this? Am I turning the little knobby the right way? Okay. I think it might be working now. No, it's just making little marks. Fuck. Okay. That's not fucking working. And I gotta get this can open. So, we're gonna try something else. We're gonna open it with a knife. Don't try this at home, kids, because it's probably dangerous. what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick a knife on it like that. I'm gonna open it that way. All right. Come on, motherfucker. You fucking fuck. All right, so I got the knife in it. We can work the knife around. I get the fucking can opener without cutting my fucking finger off. Okay, that's proven to be kind of hard. Son of a bitch. Okay. Oh shit! The fucking can opener did work. Damn it, I just got chili all over my fucking laptop. Fuck. I gotta clean that up. The way you clean chili off the laptop is you take a paper towel, you very gently wipe it. Don't use water. Use a dry paper towel, because if you get water in there, you're gonna fuck your shit up. Okay. So, as you can see, son of a bitch, I just poured chili all over the fucking thing again. Got it all over my fucking screen. Fucking bean on my screen. Bean on my screen. That rhymes. So we take another bite of our donut. The way we're gonna make this chili is we're gonna dump it in the bowl, right? Like this. Now, obviously, there's a lot of fucking chili, and I don't need this much. So, I got a lid here. Come on, motherfucker. What the fuck? To get the rest of the chili out, we gotta use a spoon. There's my chili, right there. And I'm gonna put it in the microwave. And I'm gonna say, throw it in there for 2 minutes. So I'll eat the last of my donut. I gotta prepare my hot dogs, or my Franks. And we can even call them like Bill's, or Steve's, or Kevin's. I prefer hot dogs, because calling it by some dude's name is just fucking weird. So in order to preserve our hot dogs, because the package is now open, right? We're just gonna throw it in a Ziploc bag. Go in a fucking bag. Chili's all done, and it's nice and hot, and it smells really good. I've just never had chicken chili. It tastes pretty good. We're gonna put our hot dogs in the microwave. I'm only gonna cook those for a minute. So my hot dogs are all done, and they didn't explode or anything. Okay, they don't even feel fucking hot though. I should probably put them in longer. Okay, so now we're microwaving the hot dogs for 2 minutes. And we're also gonna add something else. We're gonna go ahead and add more cheese to the hot dog. Because while I love cheese dogs, and while I love the fact that they put the cheese in it to counterbalance the fucking grossness factor, it's still just not enough cheese. So what we've got here is we've got Kraft singles from 2% milk. And to do this, so the plastic is folded over like that, and you peel it back, and then you got to peel it again, and then you peel it again, and then you have your piece of cheese. And that's how you make cheese. That's good cheese. That's really good cheese. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Ow. Ow, hot. Fuck. Okay, the hot dogs are done. There's my hot. Fuck. That's my hot dog. I don't have any buns. I mean, I do. I've got the sexiest buns of all. But I don't have any to eat my chili cheese dogs with. So we're just going to use normal bread. This piece of bread has a hole in it, so it's probably going to leak. But I don't fucking care because I'm hungry. Once again, Peel back. Fucking thing. Peel back the plastic from the cheese. And you just lay it on the bread like that. I'll do that with the other one. Fuck, man. And then we take the hot. Fuck. Alright, so then we take our hot dogs, right? And we. Okay. Ah! Oh. I put down the bread, I put down the cheese, and now I got the hot dog on it, or the Steve's on it. And now we got to put the chili on it. That's fucking hot too. And the easiest way to do the chili, I got a spoon, right? So you stick the spoon, hot, 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 in the chili. So we take the chili, gotta put the chili on the hot dog. And this bowl is fucking hot as hell. Holy shit. Fuck, okay. Ah, fuck. So there you have it. Chili cheese dogs. That's how you make chili cheese dogs. And now, because this is chicken chili, and I've never had chicken chili, I'm going to go ahead and taste test it here. And we'll see how this works. So, we just fold it like that. That's pretty good chili cheese dog. That'll work. Oh yeah. All right, man. Well, that's how you make chili dogs. I'm Craig. This has been Badass Cooking by Craig. Remember, this isn't the end. It's just the beginning. Love each other. Badass Cooking by Craig, best chef